So in this video, we're going to talk about troubleshooting some of the audio and video settings inside a Google Meet. So I'm in a Google Meet, and I'm going to go to the three dots, sometimes called the hamburger menu, in the bottom right corner, and I'm going to go to Settings. And under Settings, you can see this microphone right here shows my voice coming in and out like that. And then you can drop down and try other microphones. I don't dare change anything here since I'm actually recording onto the computer as well. But I would definitely check here, try each one of these if you're having problems, and then see if any of them show you the lines there. And then speakers here would be another option. If you're not hearing anything, you can go to speakers and try the different settings, the different ones. We never know what one's what. They're all called different things in different devices. Same thing with a video. You can go over here and decide which camera you're going to use, what resolution, and different settings you can try if things aren't working for you. The other place to check for things not working is in the upper part of your screen. Right now, for example, it says this page is accessing your camera and microphone. If you press that, you can see these block settings. So if a website wants to use your camera or microphone and it can't, there should still be a little icon up here, maybe a little red X that's letting you know something that the website wants is being blocked for some reason. And you can come in here and say allow instead of block. And you can try manage and just play around with those settings. All of this, of course, is in and around the actual Googling of whatever the issue is, which sounds like a huge cop-out from me, doesn't it? But when you Google what it is you're looking for, I'm going to close that Meet since I don't need it anymore. When you Google what you're looking for, you'd want to say something like troubleshooting microphone on Google Meet, and then see what the answers are. So mic not working in Google Meets, you definitely want to check that, even though it says Hangouts. They were once the same thing, I think, and then they've diverged or they've combined or something. Troubleshoot issues with Google Meet, fix audio or video call problems. Try all of those and see if you can find an answer. And I'm mainly saying that just because if you were on Baltimore County hardware, we could easily go through the exact issue you're having. But with all the students right now being on, sometimes Macs, sometimes PCs, sometimes you're on iPads, sometimes you're on iPhones, sometimes you're on Chrome. It's just all different things. So there's different ways to go about troubleshooting that. You can add in on Google Meet, and in your Google search, just add in, for example, iPad or whatever device you're on, and that might even give you more detailed information on how you might fix that. So that's a little avenue you can go down on troubleshooting for sound or video in your Google Meets.